Oh yeah, this is good. It's a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger and better than the other one.
Yeah, the other one, yeah.
Yeah, this has got fucking places to walk around and shit. And it's like half the distance too, so.
Yeah, like I said to Nat last time when we went to the drifting.
Oh, ice cream.
Where's Mickey Pig? Oh, my pulled pork burger.
Fucking oath. Is this where you do it?
I love your shirt.
Can we just hand this?
Blue marquee down there.
Huh?
Where those people are, blue marquee.
Yeah, oh, well it says People's Choice vote. People's Choice? I think it's a 30. What's, yeah, mint.
She had number plate for yours.
Huh? No, that's a CA. He done the Sylvia swap. Yeah. There's a reason why I didn't. Damn. Damn, look at that.
What?
The car that lost the grease lightning.
No, yeah, no, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, I think, yeah, that's it. Fuck.
That's actually the car.
No, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
The thing about being on grass is I won't smash anything. Huh?
That's why we just love you go.
Yeah. Everyone will. Because it's sick, mate. Sick subwoofer. Yeah.
What are they doing on the fucking room?
Don't know.
I know they're upgrading the fucking inspection of freaking road. I got told fucking Friday night. Because the fucking triple drive was fucking driving into the yard as I was back.
Where? Oh, yeah.
DJ here today. I'm DJ Assassin, but everybody calls me Scott.
No, that's just a shirt plate.
Do any kind of function you like.
It'll probably be where I got to register.
Corporate events, and also do fundraising. If you would like a song you haven't heard in years, I have it on my computer. Please do come and ask me.
Was it Mint sitting behind my car? Was it Mint sitting behind my car?
Mint?
Yes. Was
Oh, is it mint?
yeah, did it sound good? I like the rolling photos you got. I was looking like, what's making that noise? That's a lawnmower.
Amazing sponsors we have here today.
I wasn't going to put up and walk. Get the photos out.
Hey, g'day guys. Where do I hand this in? Yeah, look at these cunts looking at my car. Yeah, close enough.
Let's look at the mine now.
Yeah. You could put out your awning and everything. Oh, it's on the wrong way.
Yeah, it goes so far around too.
Oh, I was going to say if it was on this side.
If it was on this side, it'd be perfect.
If it was on this side, I'd get you to do it, and then I'd move under it.
Well, if I move
You
the car...
could. There's no legs.
Yeah. There is.
Well, I ended up buying two. The first one that I bought,
You know what's funny? Me wearing this, everyone knows it's my car.
it didn't go straight out, it went on an angle, and that cost me $250. Then a week or two later, one of the cars broke. So I went down to buy another one, and the guy like $500 and something dollars.
Yeah.
Technically, two. Cost me. I bought one.
Like, I feel bad about myself, and then I see other people like wearing stuff, and then they've got like back fat hanging out and stuff. I feel better now. Do you get me?
Huh?
Do you get me?
Yeah.
I feel better now.
Yeah, it's always good to hang around fat people.
They're loving it.
Huh?
They're loving it.
Yeah, I know, eh? Can you believe at 6:30 it was like full raining?
What would I need
Yeah,
to
I know,
actually
now
get in the fridge?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's actually for...
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was going to be cold all day.
That's why I bring the jumper, because I thought it was going to be hot. Now it's just humid. No.
Because you won't be able to see either because you're short. Then look.
Fuck you. And I can't.
Do it.
I can't.
Do it. Do it. Do
Nah.
it. Do it. And have a look.
I can't be in public standing on a stool.
Fuck yeah.
But you're on your tippy toes. That's embarrassing.
No, it's
Got that.
no.
And then George, if you reach in on the other side of the fridge and flick the first lever, the first switch.
Oh, just flip this thing.
No, don't worry.
Yeah. Oh fuck, it is that.
It's fucking sick.
My boot's a bit better than it was last time.
Can I get on it? I want to get on it.
Go on. Go
I
on.
want to get on it.
See you later.
Come with me.
Yeah, George will. You know that. Go on. Jump.
I want to ask him, can I do that?
Look how excited you're getting over a train.
If they're free, I'll...
Settle down, Sheldon. Fucking look at this guy's hair. Fucking surfs up.
Where? What happened?
He had to have rode a bike in.
Yeah. Yeah.
No helmet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe he's trying to hide his body. He's looking at it. He's like,
Yeah. I could win something. I could. Because it stands out like dogs. Well, I said that last time, and then
I feel like
I got all
just
sad.
brought my car to this because like anyone could enter. I'll go ahead and get it.
I was about to say, if Andrew comes in and you want to go and get it, ask Andrew to drive you back and get your car.
Fucking... Imagine how much bonnet space will be in it.
Yeah. Is there any other four-wheel drives here?
I think I'm the only four-wheel driver.
I've seen a person win 2 or 3 bike categories just because he was the only bike at a show.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
Serious?
Yeah.
Is the
But
car
the-
on top?
You could.
The thing is, on the form, there was nothing for off-road.
Oh.
There was only 4-cylinder or modern for my car. That was it. So there was nothing.
Have a full-on look, bro. Yeah. Yeah. The old mate, he's like, fucking, I have to drive a fucking shitbox, because, yeah, but take that photo. Take a photo of my VIN and I'll kick your ass.
I'm more excited than you. You're taking a photo off.
Probably getting you compliance points.
Nelly. No, it's all good.
Barra, see,
I'll go on a barrel.
G'day, mate.
This one your one?
Yeah, she's mine, yeah.
What's the brake booster upgrade? Like, is it just the reservoir?
That's the whole brake booster and the actual master cylinder.
I don't go to bed until like late, and I still get up late.
Yeah, but Dad's old.
So you won't be able to sleep tonight, then.
Yeah, I know, he's fucking himself.
That's cool.
And just cut the roof off just straight in it. And I was on the way down to Campbelltown. I seen those two guys going down Borden Street.
Oh, okay.
They were both driving together.
Oh.
Look at it.
Bro,
It's
look
got
at,
chains.
can you see what's about to pull into the car show? No, holy fucking shit.
Look at that. The door, the fucking steering arms are changed.
Are they?
Look at it.
Oh yeah, they are.
One goes loose, one goes tight.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Is that a fucking screw arm?
Yeah.
Kelpie shirt. I'd fuck buy that if I had fucking money. Some
Right. Where?
no, just chip thing.
Where?
What's this? It's a chip.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Put it this way. I'm gonna put it back where I found it.
You didn't find it there.
Oh, it's the same place.
That's fucking sick.
What? This?
No, this.
Oh, that, yeah. Well, it keeps the dogs out of your car, doesn't it?
Old gangster mobile.
Any cards out of your wallet or your pocket. I do.
This one? Is this your favourite one? Oh. This is the one you made a photo of. Is it yours?
Nah, it's mine, yeah.
You knew which one it was, but you can't find it.
Oh, that's made my day. I got that on footage too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you recording it?
Yeah.
KE.
I hope it's not upside down. Is it?
K70. Toyota Corolla.
Yeah. That's a good point. Is it upside down?
It's the same.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, it would be, yeah, yeah.
Just pissed off. Didn't see him. I've got like, I've got little to none of the trick in my cheek. Like we had him. And all of it either got thrown out, or she sold it.
That fucking round a bit. Look, well, like, you know when you went up that then turn right into Junction Road, if you kept going back to that roundabout, that last house in that last house, on the left hand side they call the nursing home, I picked up shit from that house for fucking when I was living at Redmond.
Yeah, right.
Bunch of chicks. That's weird, chicks just waving. I would rather them flashing tits, but like...
That was a Mickey. And then on the reverse.
It's back here, mate.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey Dad, you don't have your internet on there.
They reverse through then drive around it.
Can't see where you are.
That's sick.
Okay. You getting grass?
Do a skid.
No,
Okay.
stop telling people to do skids.
I wonder if he's got a spirit level in his car to level it out.
Okay,
Yeah, like something, because see how he done it too high on one
Yeah.
side? Yeah.
I go to Dad, Dad, you don't have your internet on yet. He goes, oh, why? You haven't turned it on.
Yeah. Heaps of people. More than on the last show. Huh? Oh no, 18.
He's really good with this guy.
Yeah.
Numbers
96.
Matthews 96, Scott's 91.
get priced at 291.
We only got one. Oh, but I was in the car with Scott again.
Yeah, come put in the thing.
What'd you do, 90?
Yeah, give me that one. 91.
I'll go walk back.
Huh?
It's $40 for that.
Where do you go to walk to?
What is it?
The information video there.
You pretty much,
Dreamcatcher.
after about 10 minutes,
She makes them.
Well, that was $40.
Yeah, she
Oh,
makes
yeah, you
them.
gotta go. Oh.
No, she makes them. It's like homemade.
I hope those glasses are recording because that's going to be a face.